What's up? It's your boy Black Wheel SS. I'm back with another video. Y'all might can't see me. I'm pretty sure y'all can see my teeth though. But anyway, hey, I'm here with my 2007 Trailblazer Super Sport big shedding. What I'm having an issue with is it's starting. So right now it won't start, and I did research and I asked the forum, the Trailblazer SS forum on Facebook, and they told me more than likely it would be this problem right here, my fuse box. So I went to purchase a brand new one from the dealership, and I made sure it was matching. It's the right one. So it is the right one. I'm gonna get started. First and foremost, the fuse box is located right over here. Right here. So battery power about to die. Hit these two clips, pull it off, and then you have a tab that you just pull off, snatch off. All right, what you need to do, disconnect the negative cable of the battery, disconnect this, and then you're gonna undo these 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you're undoing, you're gonna tap them down slightly to make sure that the connectors on the bottom of the fuse box separates, meaning that the connectors for this at the bottom. Okay, so my battery about to die. Let me let it charge up and then I get back to it. So I'll start by disconnecting the negative. All right, so I think that's an 8mm. Yeah, it is 8. The negative battery terminal, go ahead and disconnect that. I disconnect both. There you go. Alright, so yeah, down off in there. Negative's disconnected. The truck's not starting anyway. So what it's doing is just making this sound like it's gonna start. I thought it was my fuel pump, but it's not. You can hear when you turn it on, you can hear it. So it's actually priming. Alright, so take these off. Just got these 2 clips, one right here and one at the back. Take these off. That's one. And then you're gonna take this panel off. You just pull it up like that, okay? With the SS, it's different. All right, because you got 1, 2, 3, and 4 bolts to hold it, and I believe they are 7mm or 8. Let's see if the 7 were 7. All right. Well, first thing first, you need to take off are these bolts right here, the positive one. So this is for the positive lead. For the positive terminal, go ahead and disconnect that. Right here. And it's a 7mm. Dang. Ooh, wee. That's one right here. And then the other one look like 1312. It's a 13. Yep, 13 it is. Well, this just stopped working. the world? I don't know what's up with that. There you go. Alright, so since the new one has all of this already, I'm not gonna touch nothing out of here, but I am gonna use this as a spare. So take your 7mm, yep, and loosen these up. Get out the way. So once you get them loose, what you got, if you got a pick set, you see these little tabs and stuff right here? There's one right here. There's one right here. Let's see. See it right there? Right there. Then not on this right here. Those are the tabs you're gonna pull up. Excuse me. So when you pull it up, try to knock these down, push it down, because the fuse itself is still clipped on. Unplug these. See, all that's plugged up. This is a little off. There we go. This one is a little off. There you go. There you go. They sit down off in there. Perfecto. See more. Alright, so. Oh, shoot. Get it later. So, that's just the back of the fuse panel. The fuse box, I mean, I'm sorry. The camera. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This one right here. This black one goes right here. It just pulls out. This one still just pulls out as well, but let's see what I gotta do. Oh, I got them little tabs on it, so use a flathead. Okay, y'all, make sure y'all take a picture or something before you disconnect everything. That's what I had to do. So, yeah, I got them off. The thing is, on the old one, the old one, I had to break the clips off. Like on 2 of them. Just 2. Just 2 of them. I broke the clip off. So here's the new one. So, let me turn it upside down, make sure nothing's gonna fall out. Yep, it's the same on the bottom. Yep. So here's the new one. I know this black one goes first over here. That's 1. And the white one go next to it. 2. And then this one. Goes here. You gotta make sure they snap. Then this one goes right here. So just plug and play, guys. 2. So it's really important. All right. Let me see if I can. There's our little slots on the end of them that you need to make sure they're in. There we go. Here, there's one right here. There's one right there. That's open. Make sure the hose go through there, okay? That way you don't pinch the wires and cause a fire. Or an open circuit for the electrical. And you'll see at the bottom where they're supposed to slide through it right there. There we go. This one popped out. There we go. Oop, oop, oop. Shoot. Here we go. And this. There we go. Alright, let's see. Let's see. They all clipped in. One in the front. Let's see. Nope. Need to go down. There you go. The sides. Yep. Yep. What about the back one? There you go. Alright. What about this side? Oh, just one. Yep. Okay. Okay. Cool. There we go. So next, let's tie them on down. We're gonna tie these 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 down. 7mm. Don't forget you gotta put this one on. I think it's a 7 too, right? Yeah. Just doing it one hand. There we go. Okay. Now that we got all this on, push down on the fuse, make sure they all in. I already verified with my old fuse box, and this one, everything that's on there, it's supposed to be on there. All the other fuses missing, not supposed to be here. See? Only thing I did notice was this black one right here. See, it's missing the black one. Let me show y'all. That's why it's important to make sure y'all stuff is the same. So, see this gray one right here? It's supposed to be a black one right next to it. See this gray? Look at this, next to this one. See that? So now, I realize that. Take this one off. See that one right there? It goes there. It goes right here. See? So wish me luck, guys. Let's see if it start up. Yes, so it's working. So I fixed my tube. The code that it was displaying is this one right here. It was displaying the P1682 code. That's what my problem was, my fuse box. So it kept cutting off on me, like it stalled at a red light or a stop sign, or just basically just stall out after just idling for like 5 minutes. And then I have to wait like 10 minutes to start back, and it'll just drive normal. Like you can feel it when it's about to die out again. That's it. I don't know why, because fuse boxes go bad on these. It's a common issue, but I'm just glad I was able to help you guys. Ask me some questions, you guys need some help, and we can go from there. But I'm happy though, y'all, and I hope this helped y'all.
I can't wait till I'm rich. I'ma hop out with them bands.